74 days before Black Friday. In today's video, you're going to learn how staying organized can actually make you a lot more money during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas, and in Q4 in general. Let's jump right in. If you're new to this channel, I'm sharing what worked, what didn't work, what we're actively doing to scale email and SMS marketing funnels for e-commerce flows. I'm not selling anything, but rather I'm out there looking for top talent, new opportunities, and growing my network. If you like this content, subscribe, if you want to leave a like, and comment any questions down below. Now, what I encourage you to do, today is lesson 13. Go right here, open this command center. It has everything you need to stay organized. I literally created these, month over month pages here, one for each month inside of Q4. And even before that, we actually started in August. And right now we're in September. It's the time of recording this. It's mid-September. You can basically watch my entire BFCM videos on what to do inside of this. But this is how you can stay organized. You can pretty much copy anything that I have here and move it around, to whatever makes sense for you. So let's say you don't want to send this campaign on the 9th. You want to send it on the 18th, right? So you just move it around. You can put examples of emails that you like. I use this tool called Awesome Screenshot. It's a Chrome extension right here. All right. And you can see literally you can make something like this. You can put a Figma file if you use that for design. You can put your copy doc, your Google Doc for copy, and literally manage your entire campaigns right inside of this command center. All you need just to make a copy and you're Gucci, you're good to go. All right. This can help you make so much more money, organize yourself, insert your team, your design, copy team, and all that good stuff, and basically make a lot more damage and a lot more money this holiday season. All right. Right now, obviously, we already finished August, but a lot of stores still haven't done their preliminary, deliverability checks. So what I highly encourage you, we still have 2 to 3 seats this month in September. At the time of you seeing this, it's mid-September, 2 to 3 seats if you want to get your deliverability check. All right. Making sure you have the SPF, DPIM, DMARC records. Also, make sure your click rate audit is on point. Low click rate will resort to low deliverability and go into spam in November. You fix your deliverability right now. All right. Re-engagement campaigns, segment building, all of that is done already in August. If you haven't done that, again, you can actually check the first link in the description down below and grab an audit with me and my team. Use this sheet, make a lot of money. I'll see you tomorrow for our 14th lesson. We're going to talk about cool design concepts that will make you a lot more money in BFCM. Any questions, again, drop them below. I'll see you mañana.